Morning po. Today's Sunday, 7 o'clock in the morning. I just get up from my work and I prepare my breakfast. Zucchini, mushroom, bell pepper, and carrots. That's all. That's my breakfast for today. Here is my breakfast. Crunchy. Masarap. Mushroom. Bell pepper. Vegetarian po tayo. Kaya ito lang ang breakfast ko. Sarap. Nilagyan ko ng chicken cube. Stir fry. Zucchini, mushroom. I put garlic and onion. Sarap. Subukan niyo po. Wala pong measurement ng ingredients. Basta isang buong zucchini, 1 big zucchini, 1 small size of carrots, and 3 pieces of mushroom. Delicious. Fry with butter. Stir fry with butter. Sige, let's eat na po. Let's eat. Bye.
Dito kami ngayon sa Bayawan. Video ko kayo.